Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a whole Designrr WordGenie review. Okay, it's going to be completely 100% honest. So here we go. This is a whole PDF I generated for working out calisthenics using this tool, WordGenie. Let me show you some other projects I made actually with this tool. And actually did huge ebooks. Okay, if I go ahead and open this one up as well, these ebooks are massive. And it actually has actionable information, really in-depth information, honestly, that took me a while to actually learn myself. And I was surprised to see them in this ebook. And the funny thing is, Designrr actually generated this whole ebook in a matter of minutes. And you can go ahead and choose different templates depending on the topic you're doing. You can go ahead and choose something as well. So if I come here, I can go ahead and click on these as well and go to that specific place. It even mentions the different tools we will use to do this process of search-based affiliate marketing. Everything is in here, guys, okay? It also adds images, and if you want, you can go ahead and also come here, for example, where in images, add an image, just drag and drop. Literally, easy and simple. Go to images right here. You can drag and drop these as well, right? It's really that easy. Wherever you want, you can drag and drop those. And of course, I would have to bring that back up there. Sometimes, this happens if you don't especially have enough space going on, right? But you can go ahead and fix that. It's not a big deal. You can bring this here, right? Resize and fix this image. Bring it here if you have enough space. Otherwise it will not work, right? As you can see, that is one thing you have to deal with. You would have to resize this first, bring it in here, and then go ahead and resize it again according to that space. And sometimes you get these issues, so that is something to keep in mind. But we'll keep it down there. If we had less text, it would have easily gone ahead and worked. But I really like the feature where you can go ahead and search for images here under suggested, right? And of course, you can change the text as you want. You can format it according to your needs. Easy. Okay, you can change your layout. If I want to add 2 columns right here, 2-column page, I can go ahead and do that as well. Okay, really easy. If I come here to elements, if I want to add, for example, a table of contents right here, I can go ahead and do that. I just drag it and drop it, and it will start the process. And what you can do also, you can do call to actions tables. Okay, bring a table right there, put that in, and format that as well. Now, if I go back to the home page, let me do that quickly. Okay, here we go. We're back at the home page. Let me actually show you some other projects I did. Really good quality using this same tool. And to use it is simple. Come here, you can either click on try now or do it from here, new ebook. I'll just go ahead and click on try now for the WordGenie tool. Let me show you how easy it is. Come here, press next, enter your topic, for example, business sales. Okay, click on next, and then all you need to do here is choose a sub niche, for example, B2B sales strategies, right? That is okay. You can do ethical sales practices as well. Many different options you can choose, multiple topics, multiple, basically sub niches. I'll go to only choose B2B sales strategies. Go ahead and click on next right here. Enter your audience. We'll do business owners, right? And then come here, press on next. I'll show you how easy it is. Honestly, it's very easy. Now here you need to choose a title. They give you really good titles, engaging titles, right? That catch your eye. From leads to loyalty. That is really nice. I'll take that, or the business owner's playbook. You're being very specific here. You can select the tone. The tone we'll have the tone to be informative. That's okay. And also inspirational will be fine. The theme is perfect. Go ahead and press on next right here. And now Designrr will generate a whole outline for us for our ebook on this topic, as you can see right from the introduction. And now it is teaching us everything related to B2B business sales, even closing the deal and post-sale strategies. And I must say, if I come here, you can press on regenerate or click on next. And honestly, they actually give you in-depth data, in-depth knowledge on this ebook. Okay, and it's generating this content. Usually just take a few minutes. Like you can see right here, it's already generating, and this book will be about 10 chapters, right? And when you're happy with it, you can come here and choose a template once it is done doing this. So I can, for example, come here, cancel this. You just go ahead and choose a template. They have multiple templates to choose from. Right here, I will show you an example. Let's do this. Business development mindset. This is okay. These are the categories that usually use this. Go ahead and click on use the template, and Designrr will do everything for you. And when you're done, right, let this sync up. You can just come here, click on publish, and download this as a PDF here, and just click on export. And once it's done, it will just email it to you and start downloading it immediately. Okay, now here we go. It is still syncing this one up, as you can see, and I'll show it to you right now. There we go. Check this out, guys. Looks really nice, really neat, and you can go ahead and add anything you want here, customize this, and when you're done, go ahead and publish this. It's really that easy and simple. It's a solid tool to generate ebooks. So I hope this guide helped you, and if you appreciate this honest review, make sure you smash that like button, as well as subscribing to Ninja Guides, and I'll see you guys in the next one.